Engine 15 at Station 11, Renton Fire Department. They got this out just because they have it out. And also because I put a wreath on it. That's it. They're all home right now. They got their ladder in there and their 2 aid cars and their TriMad is probably parked behind. Switch hands. And there we go, that's it. There they go. They're leaving. Goodbye, fire truck. Are they gonna go get lunch? They're going out to a non-emergency call. What's the plan, fellas? I think I saw them yesterday at Chipotle. Or 2 days ago. I think I saw them 2 days ago at Chipotle. Getting lunch. There they go. Bye, fire truck. Goodbye, fire truck. I'm going to the library now, which is across the street. Goodbye, fire engine. There it goes. Going out to lunch or non-emergency call or something. Bye-bye.